Adding a timestamp to camera pictures on the Galaxy S24 allows you to automatically embed the date and time on your photos, helping you keep track of when each picture was taken. Here's how you can enable it. First, tap the home button to return to your home screen. From the home screen, open the camera app. Once the camera is open, tap the settings icon located at the top corner of the screen. In the settings menu, tap on watermark and toggle the switch to turn it on. To customize the watermark, tap the edit button. Here, you can enter a custom text or use the default device name. After entering your desired text, tap save. At the bottom of this menu, you'll see an option for date and time. You can check or uncheck this box to enable or disable the timestamp on your photos. Once you've made your selections, tap the back key. Now, when you take a photo, you'll see the watermark and timestamp on the image when you preview it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.